So let's talk about Shibarium, guys, in this video. And recently, Lucy had talked about what the time frame could be for Shibarium and really what the best time would be to launch Shibarium. So that gave me the idea because I know people are thinking this, and I know a lot of people shared this similar opinion. Could Shibarium already be done? Could Shibarium already be ready to go and the team potentially holding back to launch Shibarium? We're going to talk about the idea that this could be, right? Because it makes sense on a couple different fronts. And we're going to dive into that later on in this video. So appreciate you guys so much. Before we get there, let's just take a look at the price action, take a look at where we are and where we've been. And here in the last 7 days, it's been a rocky ride. As we know, altcoins have just got hit hard. But SHIB is slowly recovering from its lows. We did go all the way back into the 5-7 range at one point, and now we're back up to that 6-6 spot, rank number 18. We gave a couple spots back there. Some of the stable coins passed us up, but we're not far off. We are under a $4 billion market cap. First time in a long time we've been there, but again, we're talking about a major sell-off here that was not just impacting SHIB, but impacting all altcoins across the board. But again, I want to focus in on this, the Shibarium launch time frame. And so many people out there getting frustrated, but could this be just a strategic move by SHIB developers? Meaning, why launch Shibarium right now when retail demand is nowhere near its peak that we saw in 2021? Why not develop it and then sit on it and wait until the market becomes stable and then launch it as retail money comes back into crypto? It makes a lot of sense, right? And a lot of people share their similar philosophies, right? Build in the bear market, but then sit on what you've built and wait to release it strategically so it can have the most impact, so you can have the most amount of people see it, and also most amount of holders come into your ecosystem, right? So could this be possibly what's happening here? Well, Lucy recently, of course, now a marketing official person. What am I looking for? Marketing. I'm at kind of at a loss of words today. Marketing person for Shiba Inu, for lack of better words. She's officially part of the SHIB dev team. There we go. Recently, she took to Twitter to share some encouraging news. She emphasized that the future of Shibarium is still bright, and the ideal time for its launch would come when the market starts to regain stability. Now, why would she say that? We can dissect that a little bit, right? But she says the ideal time for its launch would come when the market starts to regain stability. This kind of indicates that it's already built and they're just sitting on it and they'll launch it when the market regains stability, right? And retail money comes back in. This is what gave me the idea to kind of make this video. It got me thinking. Now, according to Lucy, the SHIB ecosystem represented by SHIB, Bone, and Leash, of course, right now, with more coming to the ecosystem in the future, is poised to endure the current market turmoil. And we have to this point, right? Still a top 20 crypto, first ever bear market that SHIB's actually been through, and we've really withstood the test of time. These crypto assets are symbolic of the project's fight for financial freedom. She says, another day, another battle. Crypto will win because it represents the people. It's the battle against corruption, manipulation, and its fight for financial freedom. Not every coin will survive this battle. Be careful what you choose, but the SHIB ecosystem will not only survive, but also thrive down the line. So during the weekend, of course, crypto took a major hit. Lucy firmly believes that Shibarium launch will be a game changer, as we all do, right? It is the glue of this ecosystem. There's no doubt about it. When you don't have to rely on Ethereum, you can have your own L2. So many different possibilities there. Of course, the metaverse is going to be tied into that. And so many other dApps and future pieces to the ecosystem all hinge on Shibarium being here, right? The introduction of Shibarium aims to address scalability and utility issues within the SHIB ecosystem. Those are the main two that make that really make meme coins jump from just meme coin to utility and having that longevity. But again, going back to this big question, do you think the dev team is sitting on Shibarium? I think it makes a lot of sense. And again, I don't know if we'll ever know per se, right, when this thing was actually ready to go and when it launches. But it would make a lot of sense for the SHIB team to sit on this. Think about it. In that previous bull run, where did people flock to the most? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, right? Those were the biggest winners of top 100 cryptos. Those were the biggest winners. And now they have these huge brands they probably believe that, hey, we're going to be right at the forefront of this next big bull run. Why not launch our biggest project ever to date when the market comes back, when the money comes back, when they can produce the most bang for their buck, right? I mean, this isn't free what they've built here. Shibarium is not something they just, had done willy-nilly. This is something that they've been working on for years. They've put a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of money into this. I think it would make sense that they would want to have the most impact. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think Shibarium is ready to go and they're just strategically going to launch it when the market comes back? I'm curious to hear your guys' opinions down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video.